Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update N26 Bank app. So updating your application to the latest version is very important for smoother performance and better features. So in order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially you'll be led to the games interface. What you have to do is go to the search interface. For that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar. Now over here what you have to do is search for N26 Bank app. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the application for N26. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on the option update and wait for a while. After that, your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the open option. That means now you'll be able to use the latest version of the application. So that is how you update N26 Bank app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.